Most business owners learn this too late, and I hope you are not one of them. Now, the first thing to note is that when you are starting a business, there are some mistakes you don't want to make, and that is why you are here to watch this particular video. Now, when you have a business idea and you want to start something very important, we must make sure that you take note of these different points I'm going to be making. Number one mistake most business owners are making is that they are registering their business too early. Yes, they are registering it too early. What do I mean by that? Some of you have not yet validated the idea. You don't know what the income stream will be. You don't even understand the market that you are trying to, go into. And you don't even understand who are your potential customers. But you just decided to go and register a company limited by shares. You decided to go and register a company with 10 million share capital, 100 million share capital, without having the right market prospect, without knowing if this business is going to be sustainable or not. So you don't have to register a business early. The first thing you want to do is to make sure that you have the idea and you go ahead and check the validity of this idea. The second mistake a lot of people are making is that they choose the wrong structure for their business, right? Let's say you want to register a business and you have an idea to start a construction company, but you don't even have the right investment for a company registration. Can you go for a business registration? Should you go for a business registration? What will be the impact on your business if you end up going for a business registration or a company registration? What is the tax implication? What's the personal liability? What's the tax rate? What is the access for funding? What is the ongoing compliance cost in that particular industry? These and several other questions you must ask before you decide to choose if you want to go for a business name or a company registration. So if you choose wrong, you will pay at the end of the day, and you might pay in thousands of naira. And I don't want you to make that mistake. Here's the third mistake a lot of people are making. A lot of new business owners are confusing trademark registration and CSC registration for the protection of their business. Now, I've made a lot of videos on this, and I'm going to tell you here again. CSC registration gives you structure, allows you to incorporate your business, allows you to be able to open a bank account and formalize your business. Trademark registration is what protects your brand, protects your name, protects your logo, and protects your business from other people replicating that particular business or doing exactly what you're doing without being penalized. So if you trademark your business, then you'll be protected, but you must make sure that you know which one you want to do in between the two. And finally, some of you are making this mistake, which is that you are ignoring a lot of compliance. Every business has specific compliance, and you must make sure you do a due diligence to define what compliance would your business be needing. The niche you find yourself, you're in the construction company, what are the compliance documents you need to carry out? For those in the hospitality business, what compliance are required? Once you get this compliance noted, then you'll be able to determine if you should go for a business name or a company registration. If I've seen some registration that the compliance needed only requires you to carry out company registration. There are others, it only requires you to have a business registration. So do your due diligence, or do well to reach out to us. You will see our phone number in the bio. Call us, send us a message on WhatsApp, and let's consult with you so that we'll know and select for you the best business structure that would work for you. My name is Akinbola Ezekiel. This is Karinova Limited, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.